Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sarva Digital Learning. Children, as we have started the chapter Reflection of Light, so let's continue the same. In this session, we will see about the mirror formula. Okay, see here now, the mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. Now see what is V, what is U and what is F. The object distance, that is small u. So this is the distance of the object. Distance of the object is the distance of the object from the pole. You know, capital P, pole. While the image distance V. So small u is for the object distance and small v is for the image distance. From pole, whatever will be the distance of the object. From pole, whatever will be the distance of the object will be considered as small u, and from pole, whatever will be the distance of the image will be considered as small v. Is the distance of the image from the pole. Okay. The relationship between the object distance, image distance, and the focal length, is small f is for the focal length, is calculated the mirror formula. So mirror formula is composed of the focal length, image distance, object distance. Okay. The formula is valid for all spherical mirrors for all positions of objects under all circumstances. This is like a note for the students. Now next, magnification due to spherical mirrors. To magnify means to enlarge the image. Okay. See here now, there is a formula for the magnification which is denoted by the capital M, and the formula is height of the image. Height of the image, which is taken as h2. Otherwise we will get the image after having an object. If there is no object, there will be no image. So for object they have taken h1 and h2 for the image. So for formula for magnification is height of the image is equals to height of the image upon height of the object, that is h2 upon h1. In short, keep in the mind, magnification formula is h2 upon h1. From this it can be shown that magnification is equals to minus v upon u. V is our image distance and u is our object distance, as we have seen just now. As the object is always kept above the principal axis, do you remember principal axis, that straight line? So object is kept always above the principal axis. Its height is always taken to be positive. It is the rule of the sign convention. If the object is above the principal axis, so it is taken always positive. For virtual images that are not real, the height is positive, while for real images it is negative. These terms you please keep in the mind and learn these statements by heart. So real images it is negative. As the object is kept on the left of the mirror, its distance small u is always negative. Keep this point in the brain. It is negative. Okay. Now the last part of the chapter is the numericals. Okay. See here, Rajashri wants to get an inverted image of height 5 cm. Rajashri wants to get an inverted image of height 5 centimeter of an object kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. So distance between the object and the mirror is of 30 centimeter. From a concave mirror. The mirror here is a concave mirror. Again I'll read. Rajashri wants to get an inverted image of height 5 centimeter of an object kept at a distance of 30 centimeter from a concave mirror. Mirror use is concave in this question. The focal length of the mirror is 10 centimeter. Small f is 10 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should she place the screen? What will be the type of the image and what is the height of the object? And what is the height of the object? So in this question they have asked what type of image and what is the height of the object. Okay, see here the solution. First of all, we have to add the given things. Focal length, which is denoted by capital F, is equals to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, beta. Minus sign as we are keeping the object towards the left side. Minus sign as we are keeping the object towards the left side. So it is the minus sign. Object distance, we are writing the small u symbol for that. It is minus 30 centimeter. As we are keeping the object towards the left side. Okay. Now height of the image, that is h2, is equals to minus 5 centimeter. From where we got this? From the question. Okay. And this minus means the image is towards the left side. Image distance is equals to question mark. This is the asked question to us. Image distance, that is v, and height of the object, that is h1, is equals to question mark. Two things are asked to us and remaining data is given in the question. So see the solution now. Formula is according to the mirror formula. This is the mirror formula. What is the formula beta? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. Very good, all of you know this formula. So what to do here? As we need here v, image distance, so we will change this formula according to the LHS and RHS rule, left hand side and right hand side rule. Okay, so this is 1 upon v, this is our need. So right is equals to 1 upon u, keep it as it is, and 1 upon f, this is a positive, so this is the RHS actually, right hand side part, and this 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is on the left hand side. So 1 upon f is in the RHS side, so this will change the side, so the operator will change. In this case the operator is positive, as it is changing the side from right hand side to the left hand side, it will become minus. So this minus sign came because as it is changing the sign. Now 1 upon v as it is equals to 1 upon f. The 1 is 1, value of f is minus 10, minus 1 as it is, and value of u is minus 30. We are simply substituting the values in the formula. Now 1 upon v is equals to, see here, now what is the rule? We have to equalize the numerator. Here is minus 10 and here is 30. Okay, so what is the rule? You make smaller number, you multiply the smaller number in such a way that it will become the bigger number. Okay, so if you multiply minus 10 into 3, So it will become about a minus 30. So this part will become minus 30, will become minus 30. Okay, and how to make this one minus 30? As here is minus 30, so minus 10 into 3. Yeah, so into 3 means what we are here minus 3, and plus 1 is here, and this 30 minus 30 is common, so it will become a plus here. Okay, so then we have got minus 3 plus 1 upon 30. Now the next step, see minus 3 plus 1, the answer is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1, the answer is minus 2. 1 upon 30 as it is. So we will get here value of 1 upon v is equals to 1. If we solve this, 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are. Yeah. So we will get here 1 upon minus 15 centimeter. So finally, if you do the invertendo of this, 1 upon v will become v upon 1, that is v, and 1 upon minus 15 will become minus 15 upon 1, that is 15. So finally we will get the value of v is equals to minus 15. Okay, so this is our image distance. Now the second part of the answer is about the magnification. See here, formula of the magnification is m is equals to h2 upon h1 is equals to minus v upon u. Just now we are seeing the formula. Now here we want the value of h1. So just make the formula according to our convenience. h1 will come here is equals to, now u into h2, okay, cross multiplication, upon v will come in the numerator. Then just substitute the value. U is our minus 30 and h2 is our minus 5, and our v is just how we have found, that is minus 15. So if we solve this, 15 ones are 15, 15 to the 30, so here we get minus 2 and minus 5. So minus 2 into minus 5, no sign is there but there are brackets, that means it is a multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 5 is 10, since minus into minus is plus. So h1, that is height 1, will be 10 centimeter. Finally we have to write the answer that the height of the object is 10 centimeter. Thus the image will be real and diminished. Since height is 10 centimeter, so it will be a real image and diminished. Diminished means in Hindi we call it as a dhundli. Okay, so this is the solution. Thank you, students.